Well, guys, today's the day I've been waiting for a very long time. I've been looking for one of these machines. It is a Singer System twin turbo, and it's in absolutely perfect condition. Not a scratch, ding, rip, tear, gouge, nothing. It was pretty dirty, had a few issues, but it's been all gone through and it's good now. So, yes. Nice, big, huge, tall bag. The infamous turn control. And the handle release on and off. It's got writing all over this thing. I love it. It has a beautiful smoky tinted headlight, which works. I didn't even have to change the bulb. I did have to change the belt. It's got the twin fan chambers. It's in very good shape. So I will run it, show you guys how it sounds. Paid a little more than I wanted to for it, 20 bucks. But I have to be honest, it was in pretty good condition and they got me. So, but it's what I really wanted. So, that's what I got. I hope you guys enjoyed. Take care for now.